Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. I'm SM SithLord. This is the twice a week build session that happens right here on the live stream channels that you're watching on. Here's the intro reel to Web Worlds, which is what I will be building in, Somnium Web Worlds. And I will be pulling some assets from Sketchfab, putting them together in a scene, and kind of freestyle Mondaying this build here. So let's get to it. So the first thing I did was I went to the Somnium GitLab and went to the Web Worlds alpha and grabbed the Web World template right there. And then I imported it into Play Canvas, and now I am the Play Canvas editor there. I need to give it a name now. Now, before I give it a name, I need to know what I'm making. I don't know what I'm making. So let's look at some of the stuff available on Sketchfab. Just to try out. And there's GLB support in the Play Canvas editor, so the objective is to just copy stuff from the GLB auto-converted download from Sketchfab here into my scene. Easy peasy is the hope. Wow, that's massive. What's this look like? This is 400,000 vertices, or triangles. And it's pretty decimated. So I'm just browsing models now on Sketchfab. And as soon as I find something I like, I'll get an idea for a build that I'm gonna make, and then, oops, dropped my mic there. And then I will download them and throw them in. These look really good. 2.3 million triangles. Oh, they have interiors and everything. Wow, that's not what I want. Gas station props. 12,000 or 13,000 triangles. This is more like it. Now, hey, what if I combined the gas station with the cars from the build that I did last week? That might be pretty cool. There's some floating chips in here and a green screen. I don't know if this is too cool of a model. What else do we got? That's a cool building. I don't think you can go inside. Oh, you can go inside of it. There's not much in it. Okay, what else do we got? Just looking for some cool stuff. It's a million polys, a million triangles. This is just one room. This looks pretty cool. It's 160 triangles though. This one is 81,000 triangles. But it's nice. Let's see what it looks like downloaded as a GLB. Some of these other nice interiors also. Here's one that's under 100,000. Wow. That's pretty nice too. Well under 100,000. I think this one right here might be the winner. These are nice. What else do we got here on Sketchfab? I kind of want to roll with this one. What does it look like on the other side? It looks like nothing, but that's okay because it's more like a photo op standing on this side. Okay, let's try downloading this one. GLB. This one's only 7 megabytes. How does this other one look when I open it? Ooh, pretty. Pretty. How about this one? This one looks really nice. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so I'm going to name my project here. I'm going to call it Modern House. Save. I actually make a lot of modern houses. There's a whole housing neighborhood in Somnium where I just did maybe 3 or 4 different modern houses near each other on different parcels during the build streams. It was fun. Modern houses are fun to build because they're so easy. There's not a lot of detail in them. They're all about being, you know, modern and flat. Okay, now I downloaded a GLB. I'm going to drag and drop my GLB into my project here, into the assets pane. Please excuse the lag as it uploads. I can tell that it's done uploading now. Now it's processing it. It's separating the GLB, the source GLB, into all of the assets and meshes used into it, and into a, but it keeps the source GLB there, but it also makes this more optimized GLB that the engine actually uses. Now I want to drag and drop template into there. And check it out in here. Okay, the walls don't look right. The walls looked right here. They didn't look right when the thing was converted to a GLB. Why was that? I wonder. Oh man, this model might be giving me problems. Let's see, we got windows. I don't even see the walls in the mesh. I don't see the walls in the mesh. What do we have for materials? I think the auto-converted GLB failed me here. What was the default format for this, I wonder? FBX! 53 megabytes on this FBX. Wow! This one is probably going to lag when I upload it. However, let's see what it looks like. It's probably going to work better because it's the source format that the person made this in. It's actually only about 20 something. That's more like it. We'll see if that's more like it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and delete that. We're gonna delete that GLB version because I downloaded the auto-converted GLB version from Sketchfab at first. Doesn't always work out correctly, those auto conversions. This one, it looks like it didn't work out correctly, so I downloaded the FBX version. I'm going to upload the FBX version. It's got a few textures with it, and this is why it was so huge. These textures are 4K and not compressed PNGs. So I'm going to upload this thing, which is only 5 megabytes, and then I got to process these things to be smaller. I don't know if they have alpha channels. Bedroom. Well, let's see what we got here. We're gonna go over here and resize this one to 512 to 512. Okay. I make a new folder in here called Low. Now wait, I don't want them to go all the way to 512 by 512. This is the carpet, huh? I want it to be 1024. We're going HD over here, but not 4K HD. We're going 1K HD. Save. I'm going to save as a PNG because I'm going to be basis compressing these from the editor after the fact. And depending on the glass, that's the glass right there, isn't it? Yeah, this probably has an alpha channel on it. So let's go over here to PNG resizer. And see if this thing could do better resizing this thing to 1024. 1024. Right. Save as. Download. Download. Okay. And then I'm going to name it this. I use the site to downscale my PNGs with alpha channels, just so I don't have to open my other app. I also use this site to downsize normal maps. I don't know how well it does with that, honestly, but I do try to use it for that. Okay, now we got this size that I want it. I'm going to upload these here. And spawn the template in. It's rather large. It is rather large. That's more like it. It used centimeters instead of meters, it seems. Okay, looking pretty good. We'll rotate it 180. 180. Like so. But what do I want from here? Here I want the floor. I want the spawn point and the light. Everything else can go away. Okay, this looks pretty. Let's get, first of all, the spawn point over here. Now I can test it. It looks good, except for I'm kind of floating above it for some reason. I don't want to float above it. Oh, well, that explains why. How's that? That's much better. Okay, now let's make it look super pretty, and then I don't. The rest of the house isn't going to be there, but that might not matter because it's just a small little world here. Freestyling, showing how to bring things in from Sketchfab. I got the FBX because the GLB wasn't doing it for me. And then I wanted to process the textures. So instead of uploading the textures that came with the GLB, I converted them to smaller versions, 1024. But now I have to rebuild the materials that they're used on. So if I go over here and I click on divot, what is that? I don't know what that word is. Let's go ahead and put this into emissive. Oh, it's the bed. The bed? Why did the bed need to be so high res? That could have been 512 by 512. I think I'm going to do that. Let's do that. Let's go over here and we're going to make the bed